Ever wish keeping your home clean didn't leave you drained or sore? You're not alone. And the truth is, cleaning doesn't have to be exhausting. What if you could clean smarter, not harder? Today, you'll discover 10 clever cleaning hacks, perfect for seniors, anyone with mobility challenges, or those dealing with chronic pain. These simple yet powerful tricks save energy, reduce strain, and keep your home spotless with less effort. And hack number 8, it's a total game changer. One tiny shift that could transform your entire routine. Love practical, life-easing tips? Hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite trick in the comments. Let's jump in. Hack number 1. Rinse dishes immediately. A small habit, big relief. What if one small habit could make doing the dishes effortless? Many let plates sit, only to scrub stuck-on food later. But a simple rinse right after eating saves you that trouble. Better yet, fill a small basin with warm, soapy water and drop used dishes in. When you're ready to wash, food wipes off easily. No hard scrubbing. Margaret, 80, used to dread cleaning dishes after dinner. But once she started soaking them immediately, her washing time was cut in half. Now she enjoys her tea while the dishes soak, and cleanup is quick and painless. Even if you use a dishwasher, a fast wipe before loading prevents food from hardening. This tiny shift, it's a time and energy saver you'll never want to skip. Hack number 2, transfer cleaning products into small bottles. Lighten the load. Tired of lifting bulky bottles that strain your hands and wrists? Heavy containers and stiff spray triggers make cleaning harder than it needs to be. Try this instead. Transfer your everyday cleaners into small, lightweight spray bottles. Easier to grip, control, and carry, they take the pressure off your hands. John, 72, used to avoid cleaning because large bottles were painful to handle. Once he switched to small bottles, it became effortless. Now he keeps a small cleaner in every room. Convenient, portable, and pain-free. Want it even easier? Pre-moistened wipes or a homemade vinegar water spray in a small bottle work wonders. A small change, a big difference. Hack number 3, use microfiber cloths. Clean faster with less effort. Does dusting feel like a never-ending chore? That might be because your cloth is just pushing dust around, not removing it. Microfiber cloths are your secret weapon. With ultra-fine fibers, they trap dust, dirt, and even bacteria in one swipe. No more scrubbing or repeating. They're soft on glass, wood, and electronics, and perfect for arthritic hands, needing minimal pressure to work effectively. For high places, wrap a microfiber cloth around a broom handle. No need for ladders or stretching. Helen, 78, says her arthritis made dusting a struggle until microfiber made it smooth and painless. Tip: slightly dampen the cloth for even better dust pickup, then toss it in the wash and reuse it again and again. Less work, better results. Hack number 4, baking soda, the natural cleaner that does it all. What if one simple ingredient in your kitchen could replace multiple chemical cleaners and make cleaning easier, safer, and even cheaper? Enter baking soda, a natural, budget-friendly powerhouse that tackles tough messes without harsh chemicals. It's perfect for seniors or anyone who wants a low-effort, high-impact solution. Grease buster. Sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge to wipe away stubborn stains on stovetops, countertops, and even microwaves. Let it sit briefly, then wipe. Grease gone. Fridge odor eliminator. Place an open box inside your fridge. It absorbs unwanted smells and keeps your food fresher longer. Grout and tile cleaner. Make a paste with water, apply it to grout lines, and let it sit. In minutes, you'll wipe away dirt without scrubbing hard. Carpet deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda over carpets or rugs. Leave for 20 minutes, then vacuum. Odors neutralize, freshness restored. Natural fabric softener. Add half a cup to your laundry. It softens clothes and fluffs up towels without synthetic chemicals. And here's a bonus. Got a slow drain? Pour baking soda down the drain, follow with vinegar, let it fizz, then rinse with hot water. No need for toxic cleaners. For seniors with arthritis or sensitivity to strong fumes, this one ingredient simplifies cleaning without the strain. Try it once, and you'll never go back. Hack number 5, smart laundry basket setup. Save energy, skip the strain. Ever feel like laundry is more exhausting than it should be? The bending, lifting, sorting. It adds up quickly, especially if you have joint pain or limited mobility. Here's the fix. Organize smarter, not harder. Instead of sorting everything at once, use multiple laundry baskets labeled for whites, colors, and delicates. Sorting happens naturally as you go, so when it's time to wash, you're already halfway done. Place your bins at waist height, on a table or shelf, and to eliminate bending. Use a rolling cart to transport clothes easily, and a grabber tool to pick up fallen items without straining your back. Grace, 75, once dreaded laundry day. But after switching to a pre-sorted system and using a rolling cart, she saved time and avoided the usual stiffness and fatigue. And don't forget, adding a bit of baking soda to your wash softens clothes and fights odors naturally. A few simple tweaks, and laundry becomes something you breeze through, not battle against. Hack number 6, folding laundry cart. Lift less, move more easily. Carrying heavy baskets is one of the biggest causes of laundry-related fatigue and joint pain. But what if you didn't have to carry anything at all? A folding laundry cart with wheels makes a huge difference. Just load your clothes and roll them to the washer. No lifting, no straining. Josephine, 78, struggled with arthritis in her hands and dreaded hauling laundry. Once she started using a cart, everything changed. No more pain, no more exhaustion. Look for carts with strong handles, smooth wheels, and removable baskets to make your routine even easier. This one switch protects your joints, saves energy, and turns laundry day into something far more manageable. Hack number 7, want dust to stay away longer? Try this simple trick. Tired of dust coming back just days after you cleaned? What if you could cut your dusting time in half with one easy change? Here's the secret. A light coat of dusting spray. Instead of dry wiping, apply a small amount of dusting spray to furniture and surfaces. It not only cleans better, but also repels dust, keeping your home cleaner longer. Nancy, 70, used to dust every other day because of arthritis. After switching to a dust-repelling spray, her furniture stayed clean nearly a week, and dusting took half the time. Want an even easier method? Try pre-treated dusting wipes. They grab and trap dust without scattering it around. Perfect for quick, effortless cleaning. One small change, and you'll clean less often with better results. Hack number 8, break cleaning into small chunks. No more overwhelm. Ever feel drained trying to clean your entire home in one go? Here's a better way. Clean less, but more often. Instead of deep cleaning everything in a single day, break tasks into 10 to 15-minute daily chunks. One day wipe kitchen counters, the next day vacuum a room. That's it. Arthur, 79, used to burn out after marathon cleaning sessions. Now he follows a 10-minute-a-day system, and his home stays neat. No stress, no fatigue. Want to stay consistent? Just set a timer, clean a little each day, and stop when the timer rings. This method keeps cleaning manageable, low effort, and sustainable, especially for seniors with joint pain or mobility limits. Hack number 9, use small trash bins. Save energy, reduce strain. Taking out the trash sounds simple, but if you're dealing with arthritis, back pain, or limited mobility, it's a lot harder than it seems. The solution? Place multiple small bins around your home. Instead of walking across the house to one kitchen bin, keep lightweight trash cans in rooms like the bedroom, bathroom, and living area. It reduces walking, lifting, and strain. Rose, 78, used to delay cleaning small messes just to avoid walking to the kitchen. Now, with bins in every room, cleaning is fast and effortless. She only empties them once or twice a week. Bonus tips: choose bins with foot pedals to avoid bending. Use lightweight, easy-tie bags. Keep a spare roll of bags inside the bin for quick replacements. With this one simple shift, you'll make daily cleanup faster, easier, and less tiring. Hack number 10, build a simple cleaning routine. Just 10 minutes a day, feeling drained by chores piling up? The secret to a cleaner home without exhaustion is this: a small, consistent daily routine. Instead of letting dirt and clutter build up, spend just 10 to 15 minutes each day tackling one small task. It's easier on your body, saves time, and keeps your space fresh. No deep clean marathons required. Why it works. Stops messes before they grow. Reduces physical strain from long cleaning sessions. Fits easily into your daily routine. Charles, 73, used to clean everything in one exhausting day. Now his routine looks like this. Monday, dust the living room. Tuesday, wipe down kitchen counters. Wednesday, quick vacuum or sweep. Thursday, clean the bathroom sink and toilet. Friday, change bed sheets and declutter one area. Each task is short, manageable, and keeps his home tidy all week. Bonus tips. Set reminders or use a checklist. Sit while doing tasks like folding laundry. Use lightweight tools with long handles to avoid bending. Break large chores into bite-sized steps. Clean mirrors today, the sink tomorrow. Margaret, 80, swears by her one task per day rule. By the end of the week, her home is spotless, and she barely notices the effort. A small routine makes a big impact. Cleaner home, less stress, and more energy for what you love. Final wrap-up, clean smarter, not harder. And there you have it. 10 effortless cleaning hacks that make your life easier, not harder. Let's quickly recap. Rinse dishes right away. No scrubbing later. Use small cleaning bottles. Lighter, easier to handle. Dust with microfiber cloths. Traps more. Works better. Clean with baking soda. Natural and powerful. Sort laundry with multiple bins. Saves bending and sorting time. Use a rolling laundry cart. No more lifting heavy baskets. Dust with spray. Repels dust. Reduces how often you clean. Break cleaning into small chunks. Avoid burnout. Use small trash bins around the house. Less walking, less effort. Stick to a simple daily routine. Just 10 minutes a day keeps your home tidy. You don't need to work harder, just clean smarter. With small changes, you'll protect your energy, reduce strain, and enjoy a cleaner, calmer space. So which hack are you excited to try first? Share your favorite in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips made for real life. Because a clean home should feel simple, not stressful. Take it one step at a time. You've got this.